Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to define your curly hairs. I know I've done videos like this before, but this texture is a bit different, so let's get into this video. The hair I'll be working with is this it's a new texture from my supplier, so this is the second time that I'm trying out this texture. So this is how I'm going to style it. I'll be using water, leave-in conditioner and oil, and also a Denman brush, of course. So first things first, I separate the hair into small sections and I damp it with water, and then I apply the leave-in conditioner. I'm using the Hawaiian silky miracle worker, and this conditioner is lightweight. I've been using it for years. Like, it does the job. I use it for both my natural hair and my extensions, and I also went in with the BioSilk oil. So what this does is that the water hydrates the hair, the leave-in conditioner moisturizes the hair, and the oil helps to keep the moisture in place. So I'm also going to be using a Denman brush to brush the hair to define the curls. So when brushing the hair, you want to start from the tip and work your way to the top, just to avoid breakage and also to avoid the hair from tangling, because tangling usually starts from tip of the hair. So it's better to always detangle from the tip and then you work your way to the top. So I'll just repeat the same process all through the hair. So when you want to dry this hair, you don't use heat, you just place it on a mannequin or you can hang it somewhere and allow it to air dry. It's always best to not apply heat on your hair. Do not use heat on your coily hair, just allow it to dry on its own. It's better that way because heat can dry out the moisture on the hair. It's always important to keep your coily hair moisturized, so applying heat is a no-go area. So I'm going to repeat the same process like I said before. Curly hair is the most easiest texture to care for if you follow the right step. Just know that you don't have to use the exact same products that I'm using in this video. You can use any brand of your choice. Always go for the one that says moisturizing. Go for moisturizing shampoo, go for moisturizing conditioner, and then you can apply hair oil. You can also apply mousse to the curly hair to keep the coils in place. To make the coils last longer. It's just that I just don't like applying mousse to my curly hair. Watch the video to the end to see what the texture looks like after the next day.
Original bad man, oh. I like your vibe. Don't get me started. I know you want me. My baby. Gently, me loving it. She giving me steadily. Moving it gently. I like how you giving me steadily. Wind up your body, girlie, no matter, no pattern. Give me any how you feel, I'm a muggy. You make my head to swell, I make a man feel sweat. Hey. Baby, love me gently. Baby, kiss me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me. Baby, love me gently. Baby, hold me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me.
Baby, love me gently. Baby, touch me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me.
Good figure, can hold liquor. Likes jigger, can mess with her. One me got, run with her. She's a lot, them digger. No man fi waste your time. Say, no man fi catch your vibe. No, them man can get it right. Wait, bad man fi waste no time. Wind up your body, girlie, no matter, no pattern. Give me any how you feel, I'm a muggy. You make my head to swell, I make a man fi sweat. Hey. Baby, love me gently. Baby, kiss me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me. Baby, love me gently. Baby, hold me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me.
Baby, love me gently. Baby, touch me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me. Want me.
So gently, kiss my lips so gently. Rub my back so gently. Rub my back so gently. Oh, so gently.
So this is the next day after allowing the hair to air dry. You can see how full and fluffy the coils look. So every texture is different, every curly hair texture is different, but the process of maintaining it is the same. Okay, that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and also don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any uploads from me. I love you guys and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
She have me act like the umpire. Dance all around the bonfire. No undercover, me now wear wire. It's time for a little party. It's time for a little party. You can have all them drinks upon me. You can have all them drinks on me. See the girls, them a whine upon me. See the girls, them a whine upon me. Them man, them a moving calmly.